got Big Bad Manji back. Big Man Manji's here. Is in the house. So what do I do? Play?
Yeah.
So Big Man Manji gonna. I know you guys missed me. I've been sick. I've been out of commission. Got a high hernia. took me down for 6 months. Ain't fixed yet.
It's been. Oh my gosh.
Alright, got 100 points. Hot doggy.
Be quiet.
Does it?
Can you tell him to be quiet?
Join the club.
Can you tell him to be quiet?
Quiet. Where am I going? Ow.
Aren't you wondering
Got
why
a cactus. Why do I have big purple wings?
Mom was on your couch.
Mom made me purple?
Yeah.
What is that?
You're going there.
Oh, I went over there.
No, go in here. Just click it. There are your items.
Okay. So this is, can I get rid of the wings? Alright, let's get rid of the
You
wings.
can go to the shop and you can buy some stuff.
Get the slippers.
Go to the
The
shop.
mask. No, I get this like that.
No, but you can buy more stuff.
Where? Here?
The shop.
Let's
This is
see.
what I do 24/7.
Oh, well, yeah, for Thanksgiving. Okay.
Yeah, but it's members only. You can get that. You can get the turkey head.
Oh, a turkey head? That's ridiculous. Oh, that's members only. Alright, I'll take
Click. You can click more.
bow tie.
You can change your colors.
Oh, these are cute little shoes.
They're members.
Oh, you gotta be a member.
Yeah, a little lock right there.
Ah. Good lord.
You can exit out.
Can I? Because it's overwhelming. How do I exit out?
How do you think?
This right here?
Yeah. Now you
Alright.
can change your colors.
Ooh.
You're so. Oh my god.
That's cool.
Purple?
Is that the only thing I can change the color of?
No, right there.
Yeah, but do I
You can't change the color of the item.
just my face? That's the only thing I can change the color of?
Your fur. You can click over here. Just click. So you can change.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Be louder so I can hear you.
Oh.
Hurry up.
You're making my thing move. Alright. Now, okay. Alright, I'm good.
You gonna?
Now I
Do you
love
wanna
gold.
go? You wanna play some games? Do you wanna visit a friend's house?
Let's go see somebody's house.
All right, click on just anywhere. No,
What?
exit out.
I hit the wrong thing?
Yeah. All right, go down. Make your man go down.
Oh.
No,
Ah,
click
they
on
click
one of
on
the name.
somebody?
Yeah, click on one of their name tags.
Alright, this dude's cool.
Their name tag. Their name tag. Not your name tag.
Oh. Somebody
Their
else's
name
name
tag.
tag?
Oh my gosh.
Otter?
Yeah, go to their house. All right.
Otter's house. I'm going to the otter house.
No, you can look around. Oh, look, they're there, so you can chat with them. You can say hi, like right here. It's like hi.
Oh.
It didn't go through.
This is all their house?
Yeah, say hi, so they don't think that you're weird.
Hi. Enter.
Yeah.
There ain't too many people in here. Is Otter in here?
What?
Is Otter in here?
Yeah.
Is this all Otter's house? This too? Ah, he's got a spread.
You can click on the art.
He's got an art gallery. Yeah, man, he's got a big place.
Yeah.
Is your place this big?
No, well, I can buy it.
Gosh. Just keeps going. Oh, this is his bedroom. I'm walking on his sofa. He's got 2 sofas made into a bed.
Yeah.
Nice.
Where'd they go? I think they left. I think they left.
They're all bored.
Whoa!
What is that?
Wrong thing.
What is that?
I don't know. I've never seen that before. I've seen that, but I don't know what that is.
It's a monument. It's got cobwebs.
Yeah.
Gold.
Do you want to go to your house now?
Yeah,
This
let me see
person
my
doesn't
house.
like you. Alright, hit that little house there. You may have forgotten what your house looks like. It's pretty great.
Yeah, I remember. It's not as big as the one I was just in.
Yeah.
Otter's got a nicer house. This guy just take over Otter's house.
Alright, now I'm gonna let you react to somebody, okay?
Yeah.
No,
How
take
come
your
there
hand off.
ain't nobody at my house?
Yes.
So anybody can just walk in my house? That's
Oh, look,
weird.
here's my house. Here's a case.
Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah, I'm next level, you know?
That's a cool house.
Alright.
Find a jammer.
React to this person.
I'm gonna react to them.
No, just their den. They'll have everything in their den.
This is their den?
Yeah.
What is this? Bales of hay?
This person has a lot of subscribers.
Let me guess. This is Kyle. Your house, Kyle? Or is this Mom's house?
No.
Looks like a barn.
You're not very smart. Okay. Look, there's someone in your den. Go to your
Oh, there's
den.
somebody in my den.
Yeah, go to your den.
Probably stealing stuff.
Uma!
Uma
My
Thurman.
friend, how do they... Say hi to them! Say hi to them!
This thing's cooking. Say hi? How do I say hi?
Except their friend request.
Tucker was, but
That's
Or how do I do that? It's my
Hit
face?
the, okay.
he grew his hair out. a lot.
Okay. Snazzy outfit. Say that she complimented your outfit. Say thank you. That's nice. Don't say I know.
What did it say?
Snazzy outfit. And I know. Well, I do know it's snazzy. I got my styling slippers. What's that? Lots.
It's LOL.
Can I say get out of my house?
Here's some rars.
Huh?
I don't know.
Get out
Is it-
now. You just can get out now. You
Never
stop
mind,
now.
you can't gift LOL. Oh no, wait, they wanna trade you.
No.
Oh, she left.
No. Get out. No.
Why'd you do that?
That was rude.
Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that?
Hell yeah. In my house.
But they were gonna trade you rares.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Get out now. Before I eat you.
Oh my gosh. Trade me.
Trade.
That's so funny. Turn that
Oh,
on.
there he is. Is this Uma?
Yeah. Say sorry. Say sorry. That was so mean.
Sorry.
That's my friend
Oh.
on my account. I don't know how they found out what your username was, but I think. Oh, they're not trading you. Tell them to trade you. Say trade me now.
There's a spray you can put on.
No, say give me rares.
I can't see this part at all.
Trade that. Like say.
Like my snazzy dad.
Do you like their dad?
Make it at Starbucks too.
Uma, I'm so sorry.
Like the green. Yeah.
Look, it says it right now.
What? Except what? Hit trade? It went away.
Did you say no?
No, I didn't say anything.
Well, you don't get rares then. Say, do it again. They're gonna give you free rares. I'm gonna you.
I typed eat.
I'm gonna
you. Your keyboard's messed up. Oh, what do I do?
Trade. Hit the check. Yeah. Hit trade. Hit trade. Hit accept.
What am I getting?
Look, you got some rares. Now say thank you. Now get it. That's their dead. You're in their dead.
You told the person to get out of their own den.
Poor Uma. Uma's getting abused. This is my den.
Oh my gosh.
Say, I don't care.
Not anymore. Yeah, he's being mean to my friend. Yeah.
This game's fun. Oh, she's gonna do? She's trying to land on my head.
She's gonna like kick
How come
you
I
out.
can't get out? It won't let me get out. Or how do I get out? I'm trapped.
Oh, she locked you out! Oh my god! She locked you out!
And you were
I'm sorry.
locked.
Oh my god, that's so funny.
I got locked. Where's that? I'm gonna go knock on the door.
Bet she jammed it in Get the little one.
This?
Be snazzy.
Be
You can
snazzy.
reply, but you can't like write personal text. You can just hit the little check button. And you can.
Plus? Oh, I see.
Because you're
Who am I saying this to?
Uma.
Oh, Uma?
The girl that just locked you out.
Yeah, I'll say let's go to my den.
You got pen pal.
Oh, I get a pen pad.
Mom was taking me down here to show me something.
What do I do with it? Do I hit the X?
Oh look, she added you again.
Oh,
Do you want to accept it?
Uma's crazy. Uma's a glutton for punishment.
Hit that, okay. It's been 13 minutes past your bedtime. Oh my gosh.
Where's Uma at? Where's my buddy
Look, you
Uma?
go there, Dan. Sand or something.
Right here?
No. No! No!
Whoa, where am I?
You're in the theater.
Oh, cool.
Well, you better fix yours.
Oh, like a movie theater?
You can go down here and pick that
Wait, let me
person.
see what the movie theater looks like.
Alright.
Oh, now I'm out of it?
No, you took the photo booth.
Here's the theater. Ah. Is there a movie gonna play?
Uma.
Hey, Uma!
Oh, she left. You don't have to watch this.
Albert Lynn is a virtual archaeologist.
Dolphin, dolphin, dolphin!
Oh, cool. You can pick your own movie. You gotta watch this one first.
Alright, so, what do you want to do now?
Let's go to Uma's house.
Oh, those dolphins.
Dolphins on a hunt strategize with one
What?
another.
You gotta up your content.
They coordinate their movements with whistles and clicks.
My content?
But it's just as important what they don't say as what they do say. Like any high school,
Dad?
being part of the
Sitting there. Sitting there, man.
Gotta have more.
Gotta have more oomph.
More grab. More.
You gotta pull them in. Let's go talk to Sandrift.
Okay. You can say hi if you want.
You didn't see him sitting over here?
Yo. They said hello.
I said, sup? Pause?
Yeah.
Alright, so I know that was fun-filled adventure with Big Bad Manja.
Big man, Manja. Not
Big
big.
Man Manja. Stay
Who came up
tuned.
with the username?
And in 6 to 8 months, I'll be back. After I get rid of my hernia. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe because, I mean, let's face it, it's good stuff.
Oh my god.
Gotta go bye-bye now.
Yeah.
What do I do? Hit
Say bye.